Hey there, it is week 5 unit tests, and today I am going to discuss the last problem from unit problem set 5, which is refueling. Let us go to the problem. The problem states that in a file called fuel.py, re-implement fuel gauge from problem set 3. Here, problem set 3, where is, okay, let it open. In the meanwhile, let's go through the remaining part of the problem. CS50 is asking to define us two functions, convert and gauge inside it. Whereas in the earlier set there was no such compulsion, so we have to modify our code or restructure our code if we have not already written it like this. Anyways, let's go through the rest of the problem. Convert function, it expects a stir in x upon y format as an input, where in both x and y are integer. X is numerator and y is denominator, remember that thing, and returns a fraction as a percentage rounded to the nearest integer between 0 and 100 inclusive. So we are not supposed to write the fraction output should not be something like in decimal like 23.5 or 26.66, something like that. Rather it should be rounded off to the nearest integer like 20. In case of 23.6, it should be 24. If x and or y is not an integer, let us decode this line. It means that if I am trying to enter something like that, cat upon dog, or cat upon 3, or 3 upon cat, or if x is greater than y, here I am trying to enter 4 upon 3, then convert should raise a value error. If y is 0, if numerator is 0, if I am entering something like that 4 upon 0, then it should raise a 0 division error. Now about the function gauge. Gauge expects an integer and returns a star. Remember this part, returns a star, because we are going to use later it in our program. E, it means that E means empty. So if the integer is less than or equal to 1, F for full. If that integer is greater than or equal to 99, otherwise Z%. So if I enter 2 upon 4, then I should be getting 50%. Finally, in a file called test_fuel.py, implement two or more functions that is going to check the implementation of convert and gauge thoroughly. And the name of all both the two functions that we are going to write for under test_fuel should start with test underscore. Let us go to here. Here I am already into test_fuel directory, and I had copied the earlier program from my previous problem set 3 where it is fuel, and I have already modified this program, but let me quickly run through it. First thing that you will notice in this program is that I have introduced def main, and at the bottom if underscore name is equal to underscore main. That is the first change, modification. Secondly, I have introduced here def convert and def gauge. First thing that I am doing is that I am prompting the user for a fraction to enter the fraction using input function, and whatever the user is entering I am passing that into convert function, and that value is getting stored into the percent variable. If the user is entering 2 upon 4, that is getting stored into percent variable, and then inside this gauge function I am passing the percent. And here comes our first function, convert. Whatever the user is entering here, that is passed into this convert in this line of code, line number 2, and it is being accepted here. And in line number 6 I am writing while true. I will explain in a minute why. Now I am writing a try block, going inside the try block, and here I am finding the index of the slash. So if the user has entered 2 upon 4, then slash is at index 1, and then I am finding out the numerator and denominator using the string slicing. I have already created a detailed video on string slicing. I will share it as an end screen. And here find is a method which is associated with Python strings, and again I have already created a detailed video about 27 most frequently used Python string methods. Python string method, by the way, I have got Python strings have got 47 methods. Now here in this if block, if the numerator is less than denominator, so like this, then I am going to calculate the percent here by dividing numerator by denominator and then multiplying it by 100, and I am storing it into a variable called percent, and then I am returning it. Otherwise, if this is not the case, it means that the user has entered something like that 4/2. Then I am reprompting the user and passing it. And finally and that was the reason that I have written here while true, because we need to keep the reprompting the user till the time user enters the correct input or input into the desired format. Now here I am dealing with the zero division error and value error. Now coming to the gauge here. So whatever the percent is calculated here, it is getting passed into this gauge function, and if the percent is more than or equal to 99, then I am going to return F. If it is less than 1, then I am going to return E. Otherwise I am going to calculate the percent and add a percent sign into it, and it is returning into a star format, because if you check here, gauge is expecting an integer and returns a star, and that is the reason I have converted into a star, and that's the reason here I have converted into integer num and denominator, num and den, that is numerator and denominator. That's the reason I have converted into integer before passing it into the gauge function. So this is it all about this function, and at the end I have written if underscore underscore name equal to underscore underscore main, then main. So this was our program. Now let us try to check it. Let me run it very quickly. Python fuel.py. So if I enter 2/4, 50%, that is right. Let me close it so that I have a bit of more space here. Let me run it again. This time if I try to run something like that, cat upon dog, it should raise an error. That is very good. Clear the terminal. If I enter 1/100, then I should be getting input as E. That is right. One more attempt. 99 divided by 100, I should be getting F. That is right. So our program is running fine, and now we can proceed to write the test cases. We have two functions that are already given over here, and I'm going to center my test cases around these two functions. Let us get into that. Think first, import pytest, and then I'm going to import from fuel, import convert, and then gauge. Def main, let us call it test convert and test gauge. Let us get into writing the test cases. Test underscore. So the first test case, this is about conversion. So if I write here convert 2/3, it should give me somewhere around 60. It should give me 67. One more line. Assert, if I write 2/2, that will give me 100. Convert will pass 100, and just a line of clarification, convert will pass 100 and gauge is going to convert that 100 into F or E. Remember this fact. And let us put one more, which is for, I'm going to test for E, 1/100, and that should give me 1. So one test case done. Def test gauge assert. Now here I am writing 67. It should give me 67%. Next is I am going to pick this line number 10. Assert gauge. If it is 100, then it should give me full. And now I'm going to pick the last line from the test underscore convert. This line number 11, I'm going to check that one. If it is going to give me 1, then that should be equal to E. So two test cases, this is what is being asked. Let us put one more test case here, because when I was giving this trying to submit this test paper, CS50 was throwing me error. It was saying that okay, I'm not checking the zero division error or value error. So let us put that also. Let me create a third test case. So let us call it test for errors. Test for errors with pytest.raises. It is raise or raises value error. Then for value error, what does it mean? It means that I am entering something irrational or a star instead of numbers. So let us call that cat upon rat. One thing that you must have noticed, that here I am using with pytest.raises, and I think this is what has been asked for here. So let's get into the hint here. Here you see this line, we have to use this methodology. This is something that we are using for we have not used in the remaining problems of problem set 5. All in testing my Twitter, back to the bank, or re-requesting vanity plate, we have not used this methodology, but here we have to use. Now we are left with one more, so let me write that one also, raises, and that is for zero division error. Zero division error, convert, let us say 1 divided by 0, and then finally I can write again, if underscore underscore name underscore underscore is uh, equal to quote unquote underscore underscore main underscore underscore, and then main. Let us try running the pytest underscore fuel dot wrong spelling fuel dot py. To pass one failed. I have put it here, you see zero division error underscore quote under quotes, and if you see here I have not put value error under quotes, so that's the problem here. So let's get rid of the quotes from here, and then I believe everything should be fine. Let me clear the terminal and run the program again. This time it has passed everything. So now we are good to submit our program. Let us first check the do the CS50 checks here. Copy, go over here, paste it. Yeah, by the time it is extracting the results, I would like to say that I have been publishing videos related to Python other than CS50 for Python on my YouTube channel. I will share the link of the Python playlist also into the description box. You can go and check those videos out. It says that test underscore fuel catches not labeling 99% as F in gauge. So okay, let us insert one more test case here. Gauge here, and if I put here 99, then that should give me, that should also be labeled as F. So let's clear the screen and run the CS50 check one more time very quickly. Authenticating, verifying, keeping the fingers crossed this time that it should pass all the test cases. Waiting for the results, it's taking time. Okay, let me bring it a little up over here. So yeah, You can see here we our both the programs have they have passed all the CS50 tests, so we are good to submit it. If you find this video useful, consider giving it a like, share it with your friends who are pursuing CS50 for Python, and subscribe to my channel. Till that time, happy coding.